Okay, once again, good morning, everyone. It's time for math, and I'd like to tell you, my name again is Teacher Gwapo. I'm your math teacher in this class. Okay? And this is the book that we are using, Connection, Mathematics Connection for Primary 1. Okay, so this is the textbook, and this is the workbook that we are using that you have there in your hands. So please prepare your workbook because we will use it later. So we are done with 6 chapters already. And now we are in chapter 7, which is about weight. Okay, weight. Chapter 7 is about weight, measuring weight. So this is a page, and if you have your uh, textbook, page 87. But in your workbook, just prepare your workbook. We will answer your workbook later on page 93. Okay, page 93. So these are the objectives that we have. We need to measure the weight using objects and non-standard units. And then we can apply it to our daily lives. Chapter 7, weight or mass. Okay, weight or mass. In Thai, we call it namna. Okay, weight or namna. Okay, words to remember. Everybody, follow after me. Words to remember. Okay, what word is this? What is this word? Anyone? Can you read it for me? Heavy. Okay, heavy. How about this?
Heavier.
Heavier. Okay, heavier. And this?
Heavier.
Heavier. Again, please. Heavy, heavier, heavier. Okay, so nak, nakwa, nak, tiso. How about this?
Light.
Light. And
Lighter.
lighter. Lighter. And this? Lightest. Lightest. And this? As heavy. Okay, what like up? How about this?
As light as.
As light as piwa like up. Bao like up. Bao tao pan. Measuring weight. Okay, measuring weight or mass. So here, measuring weights, we can measure weights using objects. So yesterday, okay, Mawani, yesterday we answered this, or we have these activities. Okay, so yesterday we have these activities, measuring weights using different objects. Okay, using different objects. Now let's have a short review. This one is a wallet. Yesterday we talked about it. So the wallet, okay, we are using marbles to measure weight. So the weight of the wallet is 10 marbles. Okay, the weight of the wallet is 10 marbles, or we can say that the wallet is as heavy as 10 marbles. And this, the paper cup, okay, the weight of the paper cup is equals to 2 marbles, not 10. This one is 2, not 10. Okay, again, this is 2. So we say that the paper cup is as light as 2 marbles. And we learn to let us learn to measure weights using non-standard units. The non-standard units can be, we can use a marbles. We can use a blocks or cubes, or we can use different objects to measure units. Okay, to measure weights by using non-standard units. Now here in this activity, we use a marble. So 1 marble stands for 1 unit. Okay, 1 marble, 1 unit. 2 marbles, 2 units. Now here, yesterday, what fruit is this? It is what fruit is this? Mangosteen. Everybody, mangosteen. Okay, so the mangosteen here, okay, the weight of the mangosteen, 1 marble, 1 unit, right? So you can see how many marbles can you see here? 3 marbles. So 3 marbles, that means 3 units. Okay, 3 units. Here, the carrot. What is the weight of the carrot? What is the weight of the carrot? Okay, the weight of the carrot is, what is the weight of the carrot?
6.
Okay, 6 units. Okay, because there are 6 marbles, so the answer here is 6 units. The weight of the carrot is 6 units. Here about here, the canned drink. Canned drink. Captain, what is the weight of the canned drink, Captain? How many units? How many units is the canned drink? 1 marble, 1 unit. So how many units? The weight of the canned drink?
1.
Only 1? Is it 1 unit? Only 1 marble here? How many marbles can you see here? Because 1 marble is 1 unit. Okay. So there are 18 marbles. That means 18 units. Okay. So the weight of the canned drink is 18 units because there are 18 marbles. 1 marble, 1 unit. 2 marbles, 2 units. 3 marbles, 3 units. 5 marbles, 5 units. 10 marbles, 10 units. Okay. Now yesterday we learned this one. Now this is very important. Okay, this is very important. If you know these things, you will have automatically 5 points in your midterm test. Okay. Now let me ask again, Captain. Hello, Captain. What is the heaviest fruit here? Before we will answer your book, let me ask Captain again. Hello, Captain. Can you tell me the heaviest fruit here? Heaviest fruit. What is the heaviest fruit? What is the heaviest fruit? Fruit piwa like up. Fruit piwa like up. Fruit. What is the heaviest fruit? Let us answer. Okay. Now, what is the heaviest fruit here? Is it the mango, pear, orange, pineapple, banana, or apple? What is the heaviest?
Mango.
Mango. Why mango? Mango, because mango, how many units is mango? How many units? 10. 10 units. So the answer here in letter A is mango. Okay, mango. Letter B, what is the lightest? Lightest fruit. What is the lightest fruit? Lightest. What is the lightest fruit? Banana. Okay. Banana, because banana is only, how many units is the banana? The banana is the banana is the lightest because banana is only 2 units, right? Only 2 units. So the answer here is banana. Okay. Lightest piwa bao tisut. Okay. Lightest piwa like up bao tisut. Now here, this letter C. Letter C. Now in letter C, the blank is heavier than the banana. Heavier piwa like up. Nakwa. What is heavier? What is heavier than the banana? What fruit? What fruit should be here? What fruit? Heavier than banana? Orange. Orange is correct. Okay. Okay? If your answer here is orange, it is correct. Very good. Okay, you can write here orange. Okay, orange. If you can write also apple, because apple is heavier than banana, right?
Apple.
So here we can write here orange. We can write here apple. We can write here pear, because the apple is heavier than the banana. Orange is heavier than the banana. Uh, Pineapple is heavier than the banana. Pear is heavier than the banana. Mango is heavier than the banana. So the rest of the fruits here are heavier than the banana. Now here, letter D. Okay, letter D. Lighter than pineapple. Lighter than pineapple. What fruit that is lighter than the pineapple? Okay, what fruit that is lighter than the pineapple? What fruit do you think is lighter than the pineapple? Lighter than the pineapple. What fruit is lighter than the pineapple? It's okay, pear. The pear is lighter than the pineapple. Orange is lighter than the pineapple, right? What else? Apple. Apple is lighter than the pineapple, right? Lighter than the pineapple. But how about mango? If you write mango here, your answer will be wrong, right? So the answer here, it can be a pear. Okay, it can be a pear. It can be an apple.
Apple.
It can be an orange. Okay. Now here, the mango is heavier than pineapple. Pineapple. The mango is heavier than the pineapple. Okay, very good. So you know already how to compare weights, right? Now let me erase this one. Okay, let me erase this first. And let us proceed to the next one. Okay. Here we go. Now please get your workbook. Everybody, please get your workbook. Okay. Open your workbook on page 93. 93. 93 แปลว่าอะไรครับ 13. Everybody, pencils up. Pencils up. Pencil, where's your pencil? Okay, pencil, very good. Pencils. Now, okay, are you there now? Are you ready? Okay, now if you're ready, let's continue. Here, let us fill in the blanks. Okay, let us fill in the blanks. A block or a black stands for 1 unit. Okay? 1 block, 1 unit. Example, the basketball. Okay, the basketball or the weight of the basketball is 7 units. Okay, 7 units, because you will see here 7 blocks. Okay, 7 blocks. That's why the answer here is 7. Okay, 7. So 7 blocks. The answer is 7 units. Okay, 7 blocks is equals to 7 units. Now let's answer letter A. Okay, letter A. Bear with me because the internet connection is low, very, very low here. Okay, the internet connection is unstable. Now here, letter A. Letter A. The weight of the flower vase. Okay, this is the flower vase. The flower vase is, what is the weight of the flower vase? How many units?
Oh no.
How many units?
Oh no.
Okay, the weight of the flower vase is equals to 5 units. Okay, 5 units. So we write here number 5. Okay, the weight of the flower vase is 5 units. Okay, 5 units. Now letter B. Letter B. Letter B, it's about the telephone. Okay, about the telephone. The weight of the telephone is how many units? 8 units. Why 8 units again? Because there are 8 blocks here. Okay, 8 blocks. So that's why our answer here is equals to 8. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the answer in letter B is 8 blocks. Okay, next, letter C. Letter C. Letter C is on page 94. 94. Kausip C. 94. Please turn your book on page 94. Okay. Now here, the weight of the school bag is, how many units is the school bag? Manmai, how many units is the school bag? How many units, Manmai?
7.
7. Okay, so 7 units. We will write here 7. Very good. Thank you, Manmai. So your answer here is correct. 7 units. Very good, girl. Thank you. Now letter D. Letter D. Letter D, it is a jackfruit. Okay, it is a jackfruit. Okay, jackfruit. Sorry. I'm sorry. I proceed to letter. Letter D is not here. I lost the letter D. Letter D, the answer in letter D is 10 units. Please write your answer, letter D. It's 10 units. Letter D slice is missing. Okay, just answer your book on letter D. The answer in letter D is 10 units. Okay, 10 units. Let's proceed to letter E. Here, letter E. The weight of the papaya is 4 units. Okay, 4 units, because you will see here 4 blocks. Okay, 4 blocks. That means it's equals to 4 units. Okay, 4 units. I'm sorry, the letter D is lost. The jackfruit. So the answer in letter D, again, the answer in letter D is 10 units. Okay, 10 units. So measuring weights using other objects is very, very easy. Okay, now please check the book. Check it here on page 95. Put a tick in the correct box. I know how to compare weight objects of objects. So tick, please tick it there. Okay, and then measure weight using objects. Okay, you know how to compare, you know how to measure. Okay, you know how to compare and you know how to measure using objects. And here, I know how to measure weight using non-standard units. So tick them all. Tick all of this. Okay. Everybody, pencils up. Everybody, pencils up. If you are finished, pencils up. I'm sorry for the internet connection. It's very low here. Okay. So that's all. Let us watch again the video.